Since 2006, the Rockwood Technology Department has relied on bond issue funding for technology. These bond issues have term limits of 2 to 4 years, and technology planning is therefore limited to those 2 to 4 year cycles. This makes it difficult for long-range planning. It makes it difficult to implement new technologies, and we are also faced with not being able to refresh or upgrade equipment as needed if a bond issue fails.
The sustainable funding that Prop P will provide will allow us to have a timely refresh of student and staff devices. This ensures that students have reliable technology resources that they can use to access learning, whether that is new student devices such as Chromebooks and iPads, staff laptops, displays in the classroom, and even things that are new, such as esports learning labs. Beyond the devices, infrastructure is also key, and Prop P will allow us to have a long-range plan to make sure our network infrastructure is up to date and can meet the needs of our learners in this 21st century fast-paced world.